Hello everyone. If you watched a video that I did last week, it was about an unboxing of my very first Kickstarter. And I was just opening it there, but I had promised, because my intention was to do a complete unboxing and a flip through of the cards. And that wasn't the video for that. I wanted to give this its own video. So here is the In2iTarot Keywords Edition, made by In2it Publishing, and that is this was the deck that was my first Kickstarter. I will have to say that this was definitely a learning process for me. I did not know anything about Kickstarters, except I thought of it kind of like a pre-order situation. I was getting in on the ground level and I was going to see things as they developed. And while that is true, and maybe I'm being a little thin-skinned about this, but this deck had a different card back on the Kickstarter when I backed it. And I backed it because of my love for that card back. It was definitely the beauty of the deck. And even in that deck and in some of the early videos, the gilding on the side was more like a matte sparkle than this shiny gold foil. This is still a beautiful deck, but I guess it's still a little bittersweet, or a bit of a disappointment, because I loved that original thing so much. But there was changes made during the Kickstarter that resulted in this deck being with the backs being this color, and I'm just going to have to get over it, pretty much, is what the deal is. In2it is one of those creators who puts their name on the back of their cards, and they brand. They very definitely brand their decks and their products that they put out. They did include an extra card here for the planets, for the zodiac symbols, and gave little keywords for them, the elements, and for the, I guess this is cardinal, fixed, and mutable directions, I would assume. And they make suggestions here of how you can use the deck. I am grateful for this card because there's some, I'm still learning what the symbols for the planets are. Hell, for that matter, I'm still learning what some of the symbols for the zodiac symbols are. I know the zodiac signs, but I'm not that familiar with all the symbols. So this will help me learn the symbology. This deck does include that on every card, and they included for the upright, I got this upside down. They included for the upright, this is the upright, and for the reverse positions. I wasn't aware. I guess sometimes that could change. I don't know. But that information is there. I ordered this card this deck back when I very first started my YouTube channel back in the summer, and I was still learning the system. And like I said, I did not know, um, that Kickstarters can take 6 months or a year um, from concept to completion. So this was an education for me, in all fairness. I just didn't know. I didn't know what I was buying into and becoming a part of. Um, but it was a learning experience for me, and I don't re I don't regret backing this deck. I think it's a beautiful deck. I'm sure that I'm going to come to really enjoy this deck. I like the keywords here on the front, because I do believe that they will strengthen and my understanding of the meanings of the cards. I do like that they put them here for reversals as well. When I first started, I thought we had to read reversals, but I've now learned that that is a choice that is up to the reader. Some readers read reversals and some don't. I have stopped doing it while I broaden my understanding of the upright meanings. And this, I think, with this many keywords on each card, I think will help broaden my understanding of the meanings of the cards and take them to another level. So let's get to going through the deck. We start with the major arcana, and then I think they do all of the aces together, the twos together, all the threes, and that's the order that this deck is in. So let's begin with the Fool, and I'm not going to read all of the keywords, but you can see the main thing here is the Fool is a free spirit. And then you have the Magician, who is a resourceful creator. And I would tell you what these symbols mean if I understood them. Some of them I know what they are, and most of them I do not. We have the High Priestess, who is the subconscious mind. We have the Empress, who is the divine feminine. We have the Emperor, who is the divine masculine. We have the Hierophant, who is the, let's see, what does it say? Religious traditions. The Lovers, that is about union. The Chariot, which is the strength of will. Ooh, I like that, and I love that. This is the card for 2023 for those of you who are going to be doing New Year's spread. This is everybody's card for 2023. Then we have Strength, which is invisible force. Don't need brute force. The Hermit, which is spiritual mastery. The Wheel of Fortune, which is decisive moment. Justice, fairness and balance. Hanged Man, new perspective. Death card, external change. I'm liking these words. Temperance, perfecting balance. This is my personal card of the year for 2023, is Temperance. The Devil, strings attached. Yes, indeed. There is the strings attached. The Tower is a reckoning. The Star, wish granted. The Moon is the subconscious. The Sun is radiant energy. Judgment, heeding the call. The World is the end of a chapter. Then we have the Ace of Coins. This is new beginnings. The Ace of Cups is overflowing love. The Ace of Swords is awareness and insight. The Ace of Wands is a passionate start. Two of Coins, a balancing act. Two of Cups, a loving exchange. Two of Swords, frozen with indecision. Two of Wands, charting a course. Three of Coins, doing it together. Three of Cups, time to celebrate. Three of Swords, deep emotional pain. Three of Wands, manifest your dreams. Four of Coins, material attachment. Four of Cups, self-serving disinterest. Four of Swords, time for non-action. Yep, I rest, take a break. Four of Wands, celebrating union. Five of Coins, left out in the cold. Five of Cups, unwelcome change. Five of Swords, not by the rules. Five of Wands, personality clashes. Six of Coins, giving and receiving. Six of Cups, comforting connection. Six of Wands, congratulations. Seven of Coins, good things take time. Seven of Cups, many possibilities. Seven of Swords, not what it seems. Seven of Wands, worth fighting for. Eight of Coins, dedication to the craft. Eight of Cups, walking away. Eight of Swords, self-entrapment. Eight of Wands, gaining momentum. Nine of Coins, rewards of your labor. Nine of Cups, emotional fulfillment. Nine of Swords, mental anguish. Nine of Wands, a test of faith. 10 of Coins, a family legacy. 10 of Cups, the storybook ending. 10 of Swords, the final chapter. 10 of Wands, a heavy load. The Page of Coins, laying a foundation. The Page of Cups, romantic gestures. The Page of Swords, thirst for knowledge. The Page of Wands, energetic powerhouse. The Knight of Coins, connected to nature. The Knight of Cups, following your heart. The Knight of Swords, seize the day. The Knight of Wands, swept off your feet. The Queen of Coins, consummate hostess. Queen of Cups, creative idealist. The Queen of Swords, mentally strong. Queen of Wands, stylish trendsetter. The King of Coins, ultimate provider. The King of Cups, emotional mastery. The King of Swords, mind over matter. The King of Wands, natural-born leader. And then these were the extra cards or bonus cards that we had. They was, the words is not coming to me right now, but after we reached certain limits in the Kickstarter, these was bonus rewards that was added. So we have the vernal equinox, which is dark to light. And then we have the autumnal equinox, which is prepare for change. And then we have the um, summer solstice, which is the pinnacle of success, and the winter solstice, which is find the light within. And then with a lunar eclipse, that's a deep emotional cleanse. And the solar eclipse is big changes are coming. Under a full moon, it's ultimate, illuminated subconscious. A new moon is manifest your destiny. The waxing moon is making progress, and the waning moon is gaining wisdom. So, like I said, I'm sure that these cards are going to strengthen and broaden my understanding of the meanings of the cards. I really liked some of these that as I was flipping through, they really resonated with me, and I am going to enjoy this deck. I'm not trying to give into it a bad review. Any communication that I had with them during the Kickstarter, they answered promptly. They was kind. They took the position of how can I help and what can we do to make things better. They made every attempt to please the backers as much as they could. But like I said, this was a learning process for me. I think this is a beautiful deck. I'm going to enjoy working with it in 2023. Let me know if you have a deck like this or what you think of this deck. Give me comments down below. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you have not, please click the subscribe button. If you like the videos, give me a thumbs up, comment, give me feedback, what I could do better or do differently. Share my videos with your friends. All of these things will help my small channel to grow, and I am grateful for everything that you do to support me in this channel. So, see you again soon in another unboxing, a VR hashtag, or a daily collective. Bye.